We are going to demonstrate splicing traditional ribbon to TruRibbon. And I've already prepared and placed the traditional ribbon into the machine, and now I'm going to take the standard fiber holder. I'm putting aqua to the hinge to match the other one. I'm going to place the ribbon into standard fiber holder, place it into the machine that's turned off, timed out. Give me just a second. Hold it while the light is flashing, waiting for it to turn solid green. And TruRibbon is truly ribbon. The matrix comes off all at once. Somebody took my... Give it a quick clean. I'm going to bring it over to the cleaver. Place it in the machine. And all of my losses are .01 for a first time right splice. That's it.